We go 1992 Impel U.S. Olympic Cards Hall of Fame Series. Eric Hayden, Speed Skater. Lovely checklist. Bruce Jenner, not Bruce Jenner anymore, still a legend. 1980 U.S. Olympic team. The 1964 U.S. men's basketball team. Lee Calhoun, Patricia McCormick, Tenley Albright, Colonel Don Miller, Don Miller, Jim Thorpe, one of the greatest U.S. athletes of all time, Don Schollander, another one of the 1980 U.S. Olympic ice hockey team, 1964 U.S. Olympic basketball team, Babe Didrikson, and achievements card. So there you go, 1992 U.S. Olympic Cards Hall of Fame Series.